The P2000 tells us that there is a problem with the efficiency of your car's NOx trap system. Simply put, the system responsible for reducing nitrogen oxide emissions isn't working as it should. And this, in addition to being bad for the environment, can affect your engine's performance. The check engine light is the most common symptom, and it's often accompanied by other symptoms, such as increased fuel consumption or a decrease in vehicle power. So, what do you do if the P2000 appears? First, don't panic. The first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. Once confirmed, check for any leaks in the exhaust or air intake system. These leaks can alter the sensor readings and trigger the code. It's also important to check the condition of the NOx sensors and the catalytic converter. In some cases, simple maintenance or cleaning the sensors can fix the problem, but other times, they may need to be replaced. But be careful, don't ignore this code. If you let it go, you could face increased fuel consumption, a decrease in engine power, and in the worst case, more serious damage to expensive components like the catalytic converter or even the engine itself in the long run. A new catalytic converter can be a considerable investment, so addressing the P2000 promptly can save you a lot of money and trouble. So if you see the P2000, take it seriously and act.